Hello, I'm Captain Steve Price, Price Police Department. This video is about 6 months old that you're going to see. It involved a high-speed chase of a stolen vehicle. There were 4 people in the vehicle, I believe. It crashed out and flipped and injured a woman in the process when the vehicle hit her. And this video will show my car's chase video, where I was like the 3rd car back, and we'll show some body cam video at the end of the actual crash itself. All people that were arrested are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Hope you enjoy the video, and here we go.
The gray Honda. 85, traffic medium, still eastbound Chatterton, going over Retriever.
Eastbound Chatterton and Retriever.
L1, if you see the chopper can get up, and if you can get a car out in front for stop 6, please. 41 en route.
I don't know if I can get up there fast enough to spike it or not.
Still eastbound Chatterton, speed 70, going over Legion.
Eastbound Chatterton from Legion, 370.
Traffic light, still eastbound, approaching right.
They're coming up to the intersection now.
Northbound Bright from Chatterton.
Northbound Bright from Chatterton.
Speed 50, traffic light. Northbound Bright, crossing Refugee. Speed 50, traffic medium. staying at Winderly, B70, traffic medium.
Copy that. It's 22 for that.
Nothing to hill. I think they said just,
Repeat?
just west of the hill. Could be.
Greenton and Medicine out to you.
Can you try to get us like an exact address we can plug into GPS?
You can try 1785 Hill Road North.
Looks like you clipped that card just right to flip it all right. It's a shame. I knew this was how it was going to turn out. You knew that too. The way they were driving. Total disregard.
Who was chasing? Who was chasing? How fast? Who were? How fast? The highest we got was probably 75, 80. You probably rolled that car at 45. I think we're good. Appreciate you. I guess just traffic for right now, and then
Is that all it was? Started out as
it
traffic?
was just the expired tags. That's why we lit it up.
519,
They got all kinds of screwdrivers and stuff in there. They're probably stealing cars.
Take care of your stuff, just like we did the first time.
Okay.
got all my stuff.
Well, we'll take care of you first, and we take care of your stuff.
Is that around your neck? Just have to go. No, like that. It's like a keychain thing. You hear me? The whole keychain, bro. Oh, this is it. Oh, that's another one, bro.
How many of these lanyards you got?
Like it's a whole wrap. You all take it from my neck.
Oh, okay. I got you. Let's go on the other side. We're gonna switch his cuffs out.
Yep.
Double lock.
Ah, you're all right. Have a seat. Let me undo this for you.
Hey, what's on that seat?
What's on it? It's just hard plastic. Oh, it's